As always, we start the room tour with the front door. We are at room 1075, all the way at the end of the hallway at the Royal Tower at the Excalibur. Come in, bathroom to the right. You have a nice walking space right here. Have a closet. Nothing really to show here. Ironing board, iron. Safe. Couple of hangers for you. We'll go back to the bathroom. It's your boy looking swaggy. Bathroom, nice counter space in here. Let's see what these amenities are. Some lotions, some soap by Balance. Don't think I've ever heard of them. I've heard of the Cure by MGM. Alright. This room is the Royal Tower. We have the shower. Nice big shower. Alright. Shower head is nothing to call home and tell about. Like a regular shower head. Still learning this gimbal. Alright. Got a nice king bed in here. 3 pillows. Definitely gonna have to call down and get some more. We have TV, Samsung's always make some pretty good TVs. I game on those TVs. Here's supposed to be the fridge, but I don't see a fridge. Pretty disappointing. I'm gonna call downstairs and see if I can get a fridge. Very, very disappointed I didn't get a fridge. Alright. Next to the bed, of course, a little drawer for your book. Who remembers when hotels used to come with a Bible? I feel like that was so long ago. Like, I've been coming to Vegas for the last few years, and I don't recall ever seeing a Bible. You can all use some church these days. Here's probably where I'll be doing most of my editing. Nice little desk. And the reason you all came. The Royal Luxury Suite, I believe it is, has, or the King Superior Suite, has a huge soaking tub. You guys see that? With a window. So that's pretty cool. Is there a light to this? You see that thing up top? I don't see it clicking for the light. Here we go. There we go. Got some light. The light button is all the way behind the TV. Let me put it a little closer. So that's that. Let's see what view we got. No view in front of the. Just the front